We have all been there, sitting on a huge, long-form YouTube file that we know holds massive potential, but we just don't know how to squeeze that value out for every single platform. The raw file is massive, it is formatted for a wide landscape screen, and the mere thought of cutting it up for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts feels like a serious headache. But I am going to walk you through a workflow that turns this tedious task into a fast, painless process while proving why basic converters just aren't enough anymore. If you really want to scale your content, you need a solution that doesn't just compress files, but actually identifies your best clips and handles the scheduling for you. To successfully repurpose a video, you essentially need to handle three main things: convert the file size, transform it to vertical 916, and extract multiple short clips without manual scrubbing. Standard tools like HandBrake are great for reducing that 12 GB monster into a manageable file size, letting you adjust bit rates and codecs quickly. However, that is only the beginning because you still have to manually decide which moments will perform best as 15 to 60-second clips. That tedious manual work kills your momentum, and that is exactly where Vizard comes in to change the game entirely. Instead of slaving away in a basic converter, Vizard automates the heavy lifting, keeping you in full control while handling the complex editing tasks for you. Let us look at how I handle a large file from start to finish using a workflow that is repeatable and designed for maximum reach. Step 1 is simply dragging that original long-form file into the platform, and you can skip the pre-conversion step because the tool handles it during processing. While that file uploads, the artificial intelligence starts scanning your content to detect dialogue, key topic switches, and moments with high engagement potential. Step 2 is my favorite part because the auto-editing feature analyzes the entire video to suggest clips that are perfect for social media. It identifies strong hooks, punchlines, and emotional beats automatically, so you do not have to spend hours scrubbing the timeline looking for those specific moments. Step 3 solves that annoying framing problem by using smart AI to keep the subject centered even when you are moving around during the original shot. This creates a smooth, professional vertical clip that looks like it was intentionally shot that way for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Step 4 is all about optimization, as the system exports your clips in the perfect bitrate and resolution for each specific platform. Your original massive file gets compressed into smaller, mobile-friendly MP4s without losing that critical visual quality. Step 5 allows you to batch apply captions, branded watermarks, and intro trims across all your clips at once. This level of batch processing is what truly separates someone posting a few random clips from someone building a consistent cross-platform brand. Finally, step 6 is the real multiplier, using the auto schedule and content calendar to drip out your clips over weeks. You can spend one productive hour planning your content, and the platform takes care of the rest, maintaining your consistency without daily manual labor. While basic converters are fine for just changing file formats, they simply cannot compete with a tool that stitches the entire editing and publishing pipeline together. You want to avoid the friction of jumping between 3 different apps just to get one video ready for the public? With the right settings, like choosing H.264 for compression and enabling smart face tracking, your output will look cleaner than ever. In my real-world testing, a single 12 GB file generated nearly 30 distinct, high-performing clips that were ready for distribution in minutes. This workflow turns the platform into more of a creative assistant than just a piece of software, letting you focus on the big ideas. Remember, repurposing is one of the most efficient ways to grow your reach without having to constantly record brand new material. If you follow the pillars of converting, framing, and intelligent clipping, you will be surprised how much value you can unlock from your existing library. Upload your long video, let the AI suggest the best moments, and start scheduling your content today to see the difference in your engagement. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more tactics on hooks and comment strategies, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.